Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this particular video, I'll not just be teaching you a powerful strategy, but I'll also be backtesting this strategy with recent data. Okay, so this video is being recorded on the 27th of October, which is on Sunday. So today is Sunday, 27th of October. So I'll be backtesting this with recent data from 21, which is Monday, from the 21st of October to 25th of October, which is Friday. Okay, so I got you covered on this particular system. So aside from just teaching you how backtest it with recent data so that you see how powerful the strategy is, okay, so you just need to pay attention. All right, so what's the strategy about? All you need to do is to look for a market that is making higher highs and higher lows like this. Okay, then you wait for the point where you have your CHOC, okay, your change of character, okay, which is depicted by a low being broken. All right, so what you want to do is you want to look for the order block that initiated this particular change of character. So there's always another block up here that will initiate this change of character in the downwards direction, and that is where you want to take your entry when price returns to that region. So you take your entry in order to sell, okay. Vice versa also, when you want to take a buy trade, you would need to see market creating lower highs and lower lows. Then at some point it's going to change character like this, so you want to check for the other block that's initiated this change of character to the upside. Then you wait for price to return to that level, and then you take a buy trade. As simple as that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So this is the 21st day of October. Let me show you the dates. You can see down here what you have here is 21st, right? So that's Monday. Okay, you can go to your chart and check this out. This GBP USD on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so what do you see happening here? Price is giving you lower highs and lower lows, and price is moving in the downward direction. Okay, so at this point, what do you see happening? We had a change of character right here, whereby this lower high got broken and market closed beyond it. Okay, this is not even part of the major example, but I just want to add this to the example so that you see that this works, you know, both ways, both for buying and selling. Okay, so I can just mark this out like this. This is the other block that initiated that change of character. Okay, so this is the other block right here. In some cases we will need to use two candles, but that's if the candles are small. You can use two of the candles, since this is a lower time frame what's it called, interface. You can just use two candles if the candles are small, but if it's big you can use one candle. Okay, so what do you see happening right here? Price returned to that level and gave you an opportunity to actually buy and move in the upward direction. Okay, so you see that price gave you an opportunity to buy. You can see the way price moved in the upwards direction, but that's not even one of my major examples. I just gave you that so that you can see that this actually works. Okay, so I have my examples marked out with blue arrows. So anywhere you see a blue arrow, know that an example is right there. So I did that so I won't take much time trying to find where it is on the chart. Okay, so that the video will not be too long. You can go and do your own back testing. You know the pair, you know the time frame on which I'm doing this particular analysis. So what do you have here? You have price giving you higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and just giving you this upwards movement. Okay, so it got to a point where we had a change of character, whereby this low was broken by these aggressive candles that were moving in the downward direction. Okay, so I just need to mark out the other block that initiated that change of character. So like I said, I can decide to use these two candles if this one candle is kind of small, because on the 15 minutes time frame definitely it will be these two candles. Okay, so I can mark it out like this. So let's see what happened when price returned to that level. You can see the way price tapped to the top, tapped on the top of that particular order block and gave us an opportunity to sell. Okay, so price went in deeper into the order block and still gave us a selling opportunity. Okay, so you can see all the selling opportunity that price gave you just because we followed this particular strategy, and this played out on Monday. Okay, so a smarter way, if you are a very conservative trader, to actually engage this market this way is for you to probably go down to You already know the market is going downward, so you can go down to the 1 minute time frame to look for another change of character in the downwards direction. That's if you want to be super conservative. But if you're aggressive, you can just take your trade once price gets to that particular order block level you've marked out, and then you place your stop loss beyond the level. Okay, then you target 1 to 2, and then manage your trade from there. So this is a new day. You can see these broken lines tells me that I've crossed into a new day. So let's see the opportunities that we have on this particular day. That's the 22nd day of October, which is Tuesday. So price is moving the upwards direction, as you can see, upwards movement. Then when we go to this point, you can see market breaking this low right here. Okay, so market broke the low and closed below it. Okay, so all we just need to do is to zoom in and find the order block that's initiated that break of structure in the opposite direction, which we also know as a change of character. So this is the order block that did that. Like I said, I can decide to use these 2 candles if I want. So let's see what happened. You can see price played below it, then came back into the order block to give us an opportunity to sell. Okay, so you can see the way price moved in the downwards direction. All right, this would have given us a good 1 to 2, if not 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. Look at where we entered and see where price currently is. Okay, that's the second example on Tuesday. This is recent data. You can go and check on your charts. So I'm going over to Wednesday. So we are crossing into a new day right here. You can see the broken lines. So this is going to be Wednesday 23rd. Okay, so that's 23rd of October 2024. So let's see what we have. Price was moving in the opposite direction this way. Okay, so at this level we had a break of structure right here. Okay, in the downwards direction. So we just need to depict the order block that brought about that change of character. Okay, so when price gets back here, we are looking to sell. So price just tapped, at the tip of the order block, then started pushing in the downward direction. So if you place your trade somewhere in the middle, you would have missed this particular entry. So price will just move without you, but you can see the idea is the same. Okay, it's always giving you a positive result. All right, but you could miss the trade if you're super conservative and probably you want price to get deeper into the zone before entering. You can see it's just at the tip. Okay, even if you had placed your pending order, that's if you want to trade the pending order, if you placed it at the exact tip of this particular order block, it wouldn't have triggered it. Why? Because of what's it called, spread. Okay, so probably this Wednesday trade might not have played out well. And looking at this very well, some persons might have even gotten deceived right here because there was market manipulation around here. I don't know if you can see it. You can see price broke structure to the downside right here. So someone else might have marked this as the order block. Let me copy this. Someone else might have marked this as the order block right here, and then let me see. Let's say you marked it this way. So price returned there, gave us a little sell, and then kept pushing in the opposite direction to give us the second break of structure, which is the one I marked out. I hope you understand what I explained there. A little bit of manipulation was done, market manipulation was done on this Wednesday. So we could say Wednesday would have been a trade that was either going to be missed. Okay, it's either you missed this Wednesday trade or you entered, when they were doing this manipulation, and probably you would have lost that trade. But that's Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday were a profitable trade. So let's go over to Thursday. Okay, so on Thursday we had price moving in the opposite direction because GBP USD have been super bullish for some time now, and then we had a break of structure which led to change of character around here. So I'm gonna be marking out. Let me see, what do we have here? Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna be marking out this order block that initiated the change of character. So let's see, price got back there, still at the tip again, still at the tip, and then still at the tip right here, then it pushed in the downwards direction. Okay, so that's the Wednesday trade. So what happened here is, on the 15 minutes time frame, these three candles would have been the order block. Okay, so I taking these two instead of the three is the reason why it's touching the tip. Okay, so we should have taken these three all together. What would have happened? Price would have triggered, the trade and then push in the downwards direction. Just do your back testing, then you decide how best you want to mark your order block, or probably just use the 15 minutes time frame. The ideology is still the same. So this is Thursday trade, and now we're moving into Friday, the 25th of October 2024. Okay, so this Friday, what do we have on Friday? Price moving in the upward direction, and then right here price broke structure. Okay, so price broke structure right here. Look at this set of red candles broke this low. Okay, so if you placed a line around this low, you would see that the red candles pushing downwards broke that low and closed below that low, which signals a change of character. So I'm going to be marking out the order block. So this is a big order block, so I don't need any two candles. In fact, it's just one candle that is right there. Okay, it's one candle. The candle behind it is a red candle, so I'll only mark out that bullish candle before the bearish movement that actually broke structure. So you can see what happened. Price returned to that level right here and gave us a selling opportunity in the downward direction, and that is, all for that particular day, okay, and week. All right, so like I said, today is 27th, tomorrow is 28th. Market is going to be open, and if you're using the system, you can actually try it out, do your back testing for previous weeks, see how it plays out, and probably you can add it to your trading arsenal. Okay, so if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.